active review for lesson 7.1 to 7.3. We're going to continue to work on reviewing ratios, rates, and proportions. First thing I want you to go ahead and do is I want you to take a look at these oranges to avocados. I want you to write a ratio comparing oranges to avocados using a fraction. Go ahead and hit the pause button until everyone in your group has done this. When everyone in the group has completed this problem, go ahead and hit the pause space bar again. So oranges to avocados. The correct answer to this would originally be 6 to 4, but because 6/4 is not in simplest form, you would have to write it 3 over 2. So the proper fraction would be 3 halves. Okay? If I asked you to go ahead and write a proportion that would compare avocados to oranges, that would go ahead and be 4 to 6, which would simplify to 2/3. It's important that whatever I list first is what's on the top of the fraction, the numerator. Okay. All right, next one, we're going to go ahead and write a ratio using different units. I want you to go ahead and compare and write a ratio for 1 gallon to 2 cups. So right now, go ahead and hit the space bar to pause. I want a ratio of 1 gallon to 2 cups. Okay. Making sure that everyone in the group has done this before listening to the example. All right. The first thing you need to do is, because I've said gallons first, you're going to write 1 gallon on top versus 2 cups. Gallons and cups are not the same units. So what you're going to have to go ahead and do is you're going to have to take the gallons and change them into cups. You may need your large G to do that. There are 4 quarts in a gallon, 4 quarts in a gallon, 2 pints in each quart, and 2 cups in each pint. So if I were to go ahead and do this, how many cups is going to be in my gallon? What do you guys think? 4 times 2 times another 2 would be 16. So rather than having 1 gallon on top, you're going to have 16 cups over 2 cups. And that would go ahead and simplify to 8 over 1. Hi, this is Mrs. Light. I'm in Walmart with the kids grocery shopping. Doritos, love them, not good for you, but we buy them anyway. So I need to know, do I buy the family size Doritos that are 17 ounces for $3.98, or do I buy the regular size Doritos that are 11.5 ounces for $2.98? All right, I'm going to have you hit the space bar and then tell me which one I should buy for my family. $3.98 for 17 ounces or $2.98 for 11.5 ounces. The cheaper version is the family size. You should have gotten 0.234 for each ounce compared to 0.259 for every ounce. So the better buy for my family is going to be this one. All right, this is Mrs. Light again. I'm with my kids at Walmart, and we're going ahead and trying to figure out what's a better buy. We eat a lot of cheese at our house, so I need to know, do I buy the 72 slices for $11.48, 72 slices for $11.48, or do I buy the 24 slices for $2.98?
Wow.
$2.98, 24 slices. All right, tell me which one I should buy. Hit the pause button. When everyone in your group has an answer, go ahead and hit the pause button again. All right. Even though this looks like the better deal, I got to pay 0.239 cents per slice. This is actually cheaper. It's only 0.8186 per slice. So this is actually the better buy, so I'm going to grab the 24 slices.